Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Ma Madam. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about a big secret of happiness. Do you know what is the big secret of happiness? From my opinion, big secret of happiness is don't compare yourself to others, because comparison is a destroyer of happiness and joy. Comparison with ourselves to others is like a game that you will never win. Why I am saying this? Because if you have a habit of comparing yourself to others who is doing better than you, then you will never be in a good position where you can feel good about yourself. In this journey, I am talking about English speaking journey. Not only in this journey, in others field also, we always compare ourselves to lot of people. We always compare ourselves with that people who is doing better than us. Every time we compare, we are degrading ourselves, and that's the worst thing we can do with ourselves. Because when we compare ourselves to others, we are allowing a lot of negativity to flow into our life. And we always compare ourselves with that people who is doing better than us. Every time we compare, we always thinking that we are useless, we can't do anything, we are not doing anything in our life, we are useless. We every time degrading ourselves. And by the thinking of this, slowly we go into depressions. So stop comparing yourself to others. Let me tell you a good story, for example, which is a very famous story of a crow. So the story is, there was a crow who was unhappy and very sad in his life because of his black color. He was always thinking that I am not looking good, nobody likes me. That's why he was not happy. One day he saw a swan and said to her, "Your color is very white, you are looking very beautiful and very pretty. You must be the happiest bird on this planet." Swan said, "Who said you that I am happy?" Crow said, "Are you not?" Swan said, "No, I am not happy because of my white color. If God gave me a one chance, then I would like to be a parrot. Parrot has what a red lip, what a combination, green and red. So I would like to be a parrot. From my opinion, parrot is the happiest bird on this planet." There was a parrot, and parrot said, "Who told you that I am happy?" Swan said, "Are you not?" Parrot said, "No, I am not happy because of my color. Because my color is just like jungle, trees and leaves. Nobody can find me easily. If God give me another chance, then I would like to be a peacock." Parrot said, "If God gave me another chance, then I would like to be a peacock. Because peacock has multicolors. Peacock looks very beautiful and everybody likes her." There was a peacock, and peacock said, "Who said you that I am the happiest bird on this planet?" Peacock said, "I am not happy because of my color and beauty. I am so colorful and beautiful. That's why people catch me and put me in a cage. I can't live freely like crow. If God gave me another chance, then I would like to be a crow." Then crow realized that whatever God has given us, that is good for us. We should always be happy with them. We all are unique individuals with our own strength, weakness and paths in life. We all have different circumstances, different opportunities and different challenges to overcome. So don't try to measure our success with someone else. Accomplishment is not only unfair but also unrealistic instead. So we should focus on our own journey, our own growth and our own progress. We should set our own goals and work towards them in our own place. We should celebrate our small victories and learn from our own mistakes. So all of you promise me that from today onward, you will not compare yourself with anyone else. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening me.